So read this question. In this question, the plus q and the minus q charges are placed at A and minus B respectively. The distance between them is 2L, right? And C is the midpoint. If the capital Q charge is to be taken along the path CRD, then you have to find the work done. So the formula for the work done is what? The charge which is to be taken from the potential from C to D. So the potential difference is Vc minus V, right? W is equal to Q into delta V is the formula which we are going to use this, right? So first you have to find the potential at C, right? If you don't consider the capital Q, this is the plus Q placed at A. This is the midpoint, this is the distance L, and this distance is also L. Because of this charge, the potential is what? KQ upon R, right? And because of this charge at point C, K minus Q upon L. So therefore it is KQL minus KQL, and the potential at point C is 0. Now then find the potential at D, right? Because of this charge, this is the 2L distance and this is the semicircle, so hence this distance is also L, and this distance, total distance, is 3L, right? And because of plus Q, what is the potential? You will write KQ upon R. R is the 3L, and because of minus Q, this distance is only L, so K minus Q upon L. So when you will calculate KQ upon 3L minus, right, KQ upon L is equal to minus 2KQ upon 3L. So this is the potential at D. Now you have to find, you have to take the charge Q from C to D along the semicircle path. It does not depends upon the path. The work done does not depends upon the path. Whatever the path it is, it depends upon the initial and the final position. So the Q charge is to be taken, right? And the D potential is what? Minus 3KQ upon 3L, and the C potential we have found it is equal to 0. When you will simplify the work, you will get minus 3KQ upon 3L, right? This is the work done from C to D, and if you simplify, put this is what? 3KQ upon, right, this is 2 upon 3 KQL, right? Put the value of the K. W is what? Minus 2 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught QL upon 3, right? So this is 2 to the 4, if this is 6 pi epsilon naught QQL, right? This is the work done in moving the charge from C to D. Is it clear? So which option is the correct option? The first option is the correct option, right? So this is the solution, and this is the question of the AIPMT 2007, right? If you want to watch all these type of the question solution, the complete physics for the NEET and JEE, and complete communication language is English, right? If you are South student, definitely you must join our Telegram channel given in the link, right? Also the WhatsApp group you can join. All the best.